Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning I was listening to a podcast about the first generation of immigrants to come over to the UK en masse from the Caribbean after the Second World War, when we were facing a huge labour shortage. And what was really interesting for me was the fact that because of colonisation, people in the Caribbean had been taught that the UK was the motherland. People had pictures of the Queen on the wall. People spoke English as their first language. People played cricket. Yet, when they arrived here, they were in for a bit of a shock, because when they tried to go out and mix in cafes or pubs or shops, all too often this generation were given the cold shoulder. If someone's given the cold shoulder, they're basically deliberately ignored. Someone decides in a cold, unfriendly way just to pretend that you're not there. So this generation of immigrants would go into cafes or restaurants or whatever, try to order things, and people would just deliberately ignore them. A very passive-aggressive way of telling someone to go away. You might find examples of being given the cold shoulder in families. For example, maybe if you have an argument with one of your teenage kids, they might be so upset and annoyed with you that they give you the cold shoulder all weekend. My daughter once told me that the way she deals with guys who are hassling her on the street or on public transport is basically just to give them the cold shoulder, act like they're not there at all. It's also used in a slightly more kind of metaphorical way. So you might hear about, for example, cinema goers giving the new film Melania the cold shoulder by choosing not to go and see it, by basically ignoring it, pretending it doesn't exist. And talking of Mrs. Trump, until Trump decided to roll out the red carpet for Putin, Putin had basically been given the cold shoulder by most other leaders of Western democracies, as should be the case, because he belongs in The Hague. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use giving someone the cold shoulder.